One very iconic thing of my TikTok page is the hate comments. I get so many, and honestly they're really funny, so I want to read a few of them for you right now on video. Just the word fake. I mean, he really has shown me with just that single word, but that's not even the funniest part of this comment. Someone else replies and said something else about a little paragraph. If it's not fake, give us pictures or blah blah blah. And then the dude replies, bro, chill. Car's riced out. And I remember when I first saw this comment, I laughed so hard. I was like, what the fuck, this kid is such a threat. Like, I don't know, I could like picture how he was like thinking it when he typed the comment, which is too funny. Bro, weld your exhaust tip. Well, actually the funny thing is, at first I replied to the comment with the tips being welded, but since then, which has only been what, this was in October, damn, like a month later, one of them broke. Like, they fell off, but not all of it. I don't know if it's like 100% because of the welds. I don't think it's the welds, because the part that was welded is still on there. I just got like shitty tips from Amazon, so I don't know why you're trying to drift it. Like, what kind of comment is this? Because I fucking want to. It's fucking fun, bud. Like, do you not see how much the helicord slid? I replied to this comment with a video of me sliding the helicord even harder. Hellcat slow, helicord W. This isn't even a hate comment, but this is the W comment I had to show in the video because I just want to briefly touch on the helicord movement, because before I started making these videos, I haven't really heard anyone reference that Honda Accord as the helicord. But ever since then, there's a lot of people who are actually starting to put in this regular vocabulary, and I feel like I'm actually gaining like some sort of an influence. My helicord coupe will take you title. Well, I don't know about that one, bud. Like, the Hellcord's getting a new engine in it really fucking soon, and it may or may not be a Hellcat engine. We'll just have to wait and see, but come on. All the revving to barely move. Captain is gonna blow. Okay, buddy. This was probably in the video when I was doing like drifting or like a donut or some shit. Of course it's not gonna move a lot, but it's still moving a good bit, and there's hella spin to create hella smoke. That's not drifting at all. Power sliding, they'll call that a drift. Like, people just be hanging on the fucking drifts, but like, let's be real. For the current condition of the Hellcord, it being a stock V6 Honda Accord, not even pushing the full potential from the factory, it fucking slides a lot better than some fucking like actual like sports cars and shit. It burns more fucking rubber. Like, the Hellcord is really a legendary vehicle like none other. What is my reply? Might be I'll call your mother instead. They'll call. Oh fuck. Dude, my reply was so fucking amazing to this comment. They'll call that a drift. Might be I'll call your mother instead. Me who doesn't need water to slide it. Well, okay, listen. I post like a couple videos of me sliding the Hellcord in the rain for the first time, and then there's a lot of comments like this, like, oh, you can only slide in the rain. But like, have you not seen the other fucking videos where I'm creating like hella smoke and just sliding the absolute fuck out of the Hellcord, like with no rain, no snow, no nothing? Like, come on. Wow, I didn't know they had e-brakes. I didn't know either. I actually was not using the e-brake for a very good period of time and still creating hella fucking clouds. And after the e-brake, it just took it to the next level. Nah, dude, there's just 3 comments in a row. Nah, V10, nah, V10. Like, come on. Proof it didn't happen. The amount of comments that claim those V10 Lamborghini swapped Honda Accord videos are fake is insane. Like, I've definitely gotten probably like hundreds or thousands, like not even over exaggerating at all, of people saying, oh, it's fake, not a V10, blah blah blah. But let me be honest, I have a confession to make about the Hellcord and the V10 swap that I used to have. There was just a few things that I left out about the car, and I feel like a little embarrassed, like I don't want it to be judged. But you know, fuck it, I'm gonna just go for it and just tell you. Fade in a hoe, fade in a hoe, fade in a hoe, fade in a hoe, fade in a hoe. Yeah, say more? I bet you bitches thought I was gonna just admit that it was cap. On some real shit, it's not cap. He actually had a V10, but unfortunately, it blew up because I pushed it a little too hard. This kid's a fucking menace. The fact that he typed out this comment, saw that he probably fucked it up and still pressed send and did not bother to change the little typo, and on top of that, making a bold claim, he gives no remorse for any human life. I would not want to fuck with this kid, to be honest. But if you want to see what all these kids are leaving hate comments and how menacing the Hellcore is, watch this video on screen right now.